Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can cite sources from research papers and studies on Consensus AI. So let us guide you through this. Head over to your account on Consensus AI and navigate to the conversation or chat. I will go with this one here. So go through the replies provided by Consensus AI and then hover your mouse over the given source. They look usually like this here, for example, these studies and research papers. So hover your mouse over it. Then you may access the full text here or ask a follow-up question regarding these sources. Or you may cite the source, the given paper or study directly by clicking into this button. And that is going to create a citation for this finding, for example, here. So you can use this for your academic text, for instance, highlight it, or click into copy text here, or download it, for example, export it in this format, just like that. And as you can see, it has been exported. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.